How you doing? Dave Barodnelli here, and today I'm going to take you aboard the 2025 Azimut Verve 48. Starting at the transom, this boat has triple 600 V12s. Of course, they're painted to match the hull sides. As you come in, we've got S-Tech decking here. You can see there's plenty of room to go to and forth on port and starboard. There's an area on both port and starboard for your swim ladder, pop-up cleats. Really great storage here in the transom. You can fit a couple of C-bobs in there, fenders, dock lines. As you come into the 48 Verve, one thing you'll notice over the previous 47 Verve is this door here goes all the way aft. And so when this opens up, you've got a great area for entertaining when you're out on the water. Coming in, you've got a big U-shaped seating here in the cockpit. You do have a high-low table, so you'll see it's got the S-Tech decking. So when this table is in the low position, it fits flush, and you don't even know that the table's there. As you move into the cockpit, here at our prep station, you're going to have dual Kenyon electric grills. Of course, underneath us, you're going to have your refrigerator, your ice maker. And then here on the side, you're going to have your freshwater sink. Another difference you'll notice from the 47 Verve is now you can walk both port and starboard to get to the helm or to the bow, whereas you weren't able to do that on the 47. Really nice indirect lighting here on the hardtop. Of course, there is a power sunshade built in here that will go all the way aft. There is a pop-up TV here. So this TV here, you just push a button and you'll notice this TV pops up, which is great for entertaining in the cockpit. As you come forward, you'll notice we've got 3 helm seats. These are this middle helm seat here, you'll notice is power, so you can hit a button. You can move this up and down as you like, so you're very comfortable here at the helm. You've got three big Raymarine MFDs here, Humphreys auto trim tabs. Of course, you've got your digital throttles, your joystick control, and this boat also has a bow thruster, proportional bow thruster, so really easy boat maneuvering around the dock. One other difference you'll notice here is now we do have an electric sunroof, which is really great. The 47 did not have. Another nice area to get sun and to get some natural ventilation in, as well as here you've got another small hatch here that you can open up to get ventilation. As you come down into the cabin of the 48 Verve, you've got a high-low table here in the salon area. Of course, this goes down, as you can see, with the cushion, so you can have a sleeping area for 2 adults here. As you come directly down here on the port side, you do have 2 refrigeration drawers. You have a wine cooler, and this is just going to be your electrical panel here. In the aft of the boat, you've got a real aft stateroom. Right now, there is a filler cushion in there, so you can have a full-size berth for 2 adults, or of course, you can split that and have 2 berths. Just beyond that, moving to the bow, you do have a full head, separate shower, storage under the sink. And then as we come forward, just behind us on the starboard side, you've got a full galley, cooktop, storage, Miele appliances, and of course, really nicely done here, you've got your flat screen behind the mirror. So when this is off, this is a mirror. You can't even tell that there's a TV there. Coming forward into the master stateroom, again, you've got a full-size berth. You have a hanging closet port side, another flat screen here inside of the berth. So really nice area, and you are set apart from your guest. As we move out of the boat, I will take you up to the bow area. Again, you'll notice real deep gunnels here. You've got a grab rail that goes all the way forward, so getting to and from very easy, very safe. So forward here, again, another really great entertaining area. There is a table that fills in the middle here. You've got your backrest, so you can sit facing aft or sit facing forward here. And then, of course, you got your big sun cushion. Again, this is the 2025 Azimut 48 Verve. It's here at MarineMax Boston. For more information, please call me at 401-569-3874 or visit us at marinemax.com. Thanks again.